This is Twit.
This brings me so much joy to see this Microsoft musical video as they discuss what is like to work for a big software giant like this. And the first thing that came to my mind was Samsung, because I could see Samsung doing something like this type of production, or even Google.
Yeah.
But I never would have thought Microsoft, because Microsoft is so much more rigid and straightforward.
But they're not really. I mean, not really. I think it's cool that they did. I'm not a musical guy. The musicals I've actually gone to.
She hates musicals.
I've literally fallen asleep in every musical.
Oh my goodness!
There will be no music or laughter in Mary Jo's life.
There will never be. No.
I'm gonna go ahead and play this video here.
Oh no!
I can see my screen.
No.
I think it's cute. It's not my kind of thing, but it's cute. How do you feel about the word dreamt?
Dreamt.
Dreamt?
Yeah, dreamt.
I think that's just yet another problem in the English language,
the
which
world
is why
wasn't always the way it is today. Here's a dream that changed the world and how it came to stay. There once was a lad whose eyesight was bad, but his vision was crystal clear.
This is gold.
He had no instruction, production, nor junction at which he could ask a peer. He looked a line that was clearly defined and declined to align by its rigid design. But instead he sought to differ from those stifling narrow straits. He then became a household name in all the 50 states. His rise to fame was so ordained, now written by the fates. He changed the world forever, and his name was Bill Gates.
Wait a second. I'm not Bill Gates.
Well, of course you aren't Bill Gates. Yet.
Yet.
Bill Gates isn't a kid anymore. These days, Bill Gates is more of an idea. Our buddy Bill, he had a dream that long ago did seem
Guys, we aren't going to watch the whole thing.
No, we won't watch the whole thing. That's it. Just I never would have expected this from the team at Microsoft.
Now it's so much more than just a dream. It's all happening here. It may have taken an IV of pure caffeine. Come see what followed from the personal machine.
Okay, we could cut it there.
Yeah, I think we're good.
So that girl in the red top, there's a moment where they make fun of Windows Phone, and the expression on her face is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It's beautiful.
No, and okay, I hate musicals. I really do. But I will give them credit that if you're going to do something like this, you at least have to do it really well. And they did.
Yeah, and they went full bore on this one.
Oh, they really went for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was a project handled mostly by the summer interns with some employees mixed in. And it took them nights, weekends. You can tell this would take quite a while. Yeah. Yep. So you got to give them appreciation for that. But when I saw it, I was just like, no.
Yeah, I know. It's just, you can feel the cringe growing.
I know.
Mary Jo, you're saying this is not the Microsoft you're used to? Is that what you're saying?
No, it's not. I like the evil empire Microsoft. I have to admit, guys. I know.
Yeah, cue the song, like Imperial March from Star Wars, and Bill Gates comes in and points at like a map and decides to destroy a company. I miss those days.
Yeah,
that was the best.
It was.
I love it.
We're showing our age.
I love it, and I think it was a good route to take this time of day, this day and age, with so much negative vibes out there in the world of technology and the big tech companies. And I thought that was just a nice little change up of pace myself.